My video guide is about getting rid of the new adware called WebDivision. WebDivision is the adware targeting Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers on Mac computers. WebDivision adware, once installed, may display its very intrusive advertisements while you browse the web. And if this web division was found on your system somehow, be sure to remove it as soon as you can. Right click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and once the software gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then effectively eliminate all other kinds of infections which might still possibly remain on this system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.